This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about catering bowls, specifically these Pulp Tech serving bowls. You can see we have a white one here. It is a 160 ounce capacity, and it's a 10 3/4 by 10 3/4 square that has a nice 4-inch depth to it. The lids for these items are sold separately. And there's also an 80 and 128 ounce size available. These bagasse bowls are made from compressed sugarcane. They are commercially compostable and biodegradable, making them a great eco-friendly option versus the traditional plastic and aluminum ones. They're both microwave and freezer safe, making them ideal for both reheating and the storing of leftovers. They are naturally grease resistant, preventing oils from soaking through and making a mess of your tables or tablecloths. They're great for popcorn, chips and salsa, snack mix, candies, salad, fruit salad, pasta salads, and more. These sleek exterior and neutral colors blend and work well with other serving items and displays. The 4 built-in tabs on the edge of the bowl lock into those lids to help keep them in place securely during transport, preventing messes. They're ideal for large parties with buffet service, and cleanup is easy for customers and staff since they're disposable. These are perfect for all types of caterers, delis, or gourmet grocers.